Hello guys. In today's video, we are going to check out the top 5 amazing facts about our planet Earth. So without wasting any time, let's get to jump into the video. Fact number 1. 1.3 million Earths could fit inside the Sun, an average-sized star. But, now the thing is, approximately 5 billion suns could fit inside the biggest star ever discovered, named Scuti, the biggest star ever found. 6 quadrillion Earth could also fit in the biggest star Scuti. Some of the comparison pictures are here. You can also check the description for article links. Fact number 2. Mark Shegelski, an associate professor of physics at the University of Northern British Columbia, explains if you drilled straight through the Earth and jumped in it, it would take about 42 minutes to get to the other side. The speed of our traveler at the center of the Earth would be 7,900 meters a second. Check the description for article links. Fact number 3. The Earth's inner core is hotter than experts previously suspected, by a whopping 1,000 degrees. In fact, new research suggests the center of our planet might be around the same temperature as the Sun. Our planet's core is comprised of crystalline iron and surrounded by a layer of extremely hot liquid. Check the description for article links. Fact number 4. Krubera Cave is the second deepest known cave on Earth, after the Veryovkina Cave. It is located in Abkhazia, a breakaway region of Georgia. Its depth is around 7,208 feet. Krubera is one of the 2 known caves on Earth deeper than 2,000 meters. Check the description for article links. Fact number 5. Each day, up to 4 billion meteoroids fall to Earth. Don't worry, most of them are minuscule in size. When meteoroids enter Earth's atmosphere, or that of another planet, like Mars, at high speed and burn up, the fireballs or shooting stars are called meteors. When a meteoroid survives a trip through the atmosphere and hits the ground, it's called a meteorite. Check the description for article links. If you guys like the video, do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Have a good day. Bye bye.